So how much time should it actually take to get a few graphics timed on a video and trim it and get it into a rundown showing up in Viz Mozart? Let's take a look at the timeline editor that is a part of Pilot Edge. From the newsroom system, I go into the Pilot Edge plugin and select Video. We either search or select a video from Viz 1. Here we can trim it with in and out points. The plus sign here gives us access to the templates we use. I can choose an empty template or select a few data elements that have been used lately. I'm adding these to the timeline and making sure the graphics are saved, and then we can drag the white anchor with the moss elements containing the video, including the time graphics elements, into the newsroom system. When I go out of the story, it is updated to the rundown. Over in Viz Mozart, I'm monitoring this playlist and the video elements with the two timed graphics, and we see here they are appearing. In this case, both clip and graphics are played out on the same Viz engine. But that could be up to you how you want to configure that. The point is that the video plays out with the time graphics we just made in the timeline editor of Pilot Edge.